Hello everybody, I put another update of my banana fruit. So, tonight the temperature is drop and it goes under 27 Fahrenheit. So I decide to cut the fruit and then bring it in. But I check it, the fruit is not, it doesn't have anything inside, it's really raw. So, uh, the thing is get really late. That's the thing, and then Texas weather is, the temperature is a drop, and this year is drop very early, in late of October. So it stopped to growing, and you can see how many rows it has fruit, and also had more row here, you can see. So I believe if I open these also there are some other row over there. So hopefully I can prepare this banana tree for next year. I will I will fertilize some and then some good stuff for it. I will use it for next year. This year I wrapped it up and then keep it in warm uh, to prepare it for next spring and see what we can do for next year. So I will cut off this and see what is inside. I will share it to you. Okay, just a moment. So you can see I peel off uh, some part of it, and you can see more and more raw here, all flowers. But I tasted it's not even it's not sweet. It's raw. So I don't know. Some people says it's sweet, but this one is not. I don't know. So it's, the taste is it look like raw stuff. When you eat raw fruits, it tastes like that. So I will peel off those parts also to see what is inside. Okay, so I peel it off and I cut it in head. It looked like a cabbage, but still it is the taste is raw. It's not tasty anyhow. So I don't know. It tastes. That was a little bit has a taste. Yeah, it has some taste. Yeah. That is good. This part is good. I like that part. It has some taste. It looked like the middle of the cabbage. But anyhow, it was some experience for me. It was actually for me the first time I had this experience. So I hope I can use it for next year to prepare fruit and see what we can do. Okay, enjoy your life and happy gardening. Bye.